big trailer is off. There it goes. It's probably one of the biggest loads we'll take. Hello. Welcome back to Ashley's Homestead Adventures. And today is a bittersweet day. I am sorry, I am a mess. You'll understand why. It is our last day at our Oregon farm. So, this is the last Oregon farm tour. I have a couple things, well, I have one thing left to do, and I saved it for you. So I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to harvest some horseradish. Okay, here it is. And I'm supposed to just pull it out. Wow. Jesus. Okay. There you have it, folks. That is some beefy stuff. Oh. But apparently it's going to be growing there for years to come. I was a little worried because I wasn't going to, you know, if I pulled it out, I didn't know if I'd leave any for them or not. But it turns out that I have plenty here. Look at that big old stalk. It's a rhizome, I would guess. So that's exciting stuff. So I'm going to take this and put it in the truck so that I can take it to the trailer, which is no longer here, and get it cleaned up and stored properly. Supposedly what I'm supposed to do is clean it up, prune it, and then put it in a Ziploc baggie and put it in the fridge, and it'll store that way, and then that way I can just put it in the ground when I get to Arkansas. And this was grown off of a little tiny nubbin, couple nubbins actually, that I got from some very good friends, and it means a lot to me to be able to take a little piece of them with me to Arkansas. So that's really cool. Hang tight. I'm gonna put this in the truck. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Front porch. We lift the grill. Completely empty. All of the keys are laid out with what they go to, as well as the gate opener, garage door openers. Bedroom. It's kind of dark in here. Just kidding. Bathroom. Oh no. Guess I gotta get that stuff out of here. Whoops. Bathroom's all clean. Ooh. Freaky eyes. Laundry room. All done. Upstairs. We asked the new owners if they wanted the TV stand and the TV and the table, and they do. If it always sounds like I have a herd of dogs behind me, it's because I do. And I'm sorry that their eyes get glowy in this video, but that is part of the flash. Rabbitry, everything's all gone. That is their load of wood that they dropped off. Chicken coops are empty, turkey coops are empty. The barn is empty. Tack room. Empty. B. So you guys got to see this afternoon, Mr. Wonderful pulled out with a big load. That was that trailer that was parked right there. Loaded down with panels and tools and fridges and freezers and four-wheeler and any number of things. So big load, very big load. And he left this afternoon, so first big load on its way. My blessed groom shop. It's very echoey in here. This building served me well. Whoops. Need the lights. Oop. This building served me well for a lot of years. Shop. Left them some Tupperware and some fluids. It's all empty. All right, come on, girls and boy. That was where the motorhome was this morning. Oh wow, I do look haggard. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching this video, and thank you to all the new people who have joined this ship of my crazy life. It's a good time to join because you get to see what we're leaving and what we're going to, and that's the whole reason why I started this channel, was to share the journey of moving across the country, the goods, the bads, the uglies, the messes, you know, the whole 9 yards. We are very transparent, and I try to be as real as I can with you guys, and I'm not gonna make this a super long video. Got a lot, you know, going on in my heart and in my head. Lots of excitement, but there's lots of sadness. This property served us really well. It taught us so much. We started our micro farm on this property. We grew 100% of our own meat. We gardened in zone 3, which is terrible at best. And we grew things, and we ate out of our garden, and we harvested animals on this property and learned how to butcher, and we learned animal husbandry, and we made a lot of mistakes and learned how to correct them. We learned how to be frugal and homestead. We learned how to respect an animal and use every part possible. Dehydrating, canning, processing, you know, your own meat, tanning hides, making rabbit feet. I learned a lot of holistic nutrition and medicine for my animals. Just so many things I learned here, and I practiced here, and this property has served us for that. But it's too small, and we needed something bigger. We're ready to grow and expand our wings and grow more food and live a simpler, quieter life out in the country. And our property in Arkansas, I believe, is going to do that. And you guys are going to get to see it. You're going to get to see the projects and the successes and the failures still, because I guarantee you, if anybody who wants to continue to grow is going to fail. You're going to fall because you're trying new things and you're trying new adventures. And I'm excited to share all of that with you. And I'm also excited for this property. I'm excited for its new owners and for the light that they are going to shed on it and the things that they are going to do here. With some of the infrastructure, the raised beds and things like that, the pens and coops that we've already put in, and also with doing their new things, with changing things. And I'm excited for them. And I wish them all of the best. This property has served us well, and I hope that it serves them well as well. That was a lot of wells. So anyway, you guys, I'm super tired. I have been cleaning all day. I still have to set up temporary home for the dogs. I've got all of the cages and fences and stuff over there. But here we are, it's 7 o'clock and we haven't had dinner yet. So you guys will be seeing us in a new place. It is a temporary place. Again, so thankful for dear friends, and I'm so thankful for all the people that have helped us along the way so far and that are going to help us. It takes a village sometimes. So yeah, This is goodbye to Oregon. And it's heavy, but it's exciting. Because in order to say hello, you must say goodbye. When one door closes, another one opens. I mean, we could go on and on and on, but I'm not going to. I hope you guys had a beautiful day. I hope you enjoyed watching this last farm tour. And thank you for being here. And thank you for being a part of my journey. And I will catch y'all later when I'm rested and showered. I don't have big black bags under my eyes. We'll see you later. Yours truly.